Hi, this is Melissa and Imjas, and our 2 second lean improvement for today is our clamp area where we stock all the clamps used for building big doors and panel blocks that won't fit on our rotary 1 clamp and rotary 2 clamp, and also on the panel block clamp. So as you can see, uh, there's not so much hooks to hold the clamp. So, and it's too crowded. So sometimes if we grab one, the tendency is it's unsafety because there's a tendency that it will fall. So we're gonna make this uh, area more safe by putting more hooks. I'll see you on our next video. Uh, as you can see, we stored a lot of hooks. So the clamp in our clamp area is now uh, easy to access to, and there's no problem on having the clamp fall down or tripping because there are just maybe two clamps at one hook stand. So it's safer and it's easy to grab. That is our 2 second improvement for the day. Thank you.